In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create fantasy art in OpenArt. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank page to polished fantasy visuals using the built-in tools and options. Start on the OpenArt homepage, move your mouse over the image section to reveal the creation options, then click Create Image. This takes you to the image generator where most of the magic happens. At the top, look for the switch button. Click it to choose a model or an AI character. This is where you set the overall look and engine behind your artwork. Next, pick an art category. Since we're making fantasy art, choose a category that leans into epic imaginative styles. Think mystical environments, heroic characters, or mythical creatures. After that, select a specific model or AI character from the gallery. Different models emphasize different aesthetics, so preview a few and pick the one that best matches your vision. Cinematic, painterly, or highly detailed fantasy. Now describe what you want in the prompt box. Be specific and visual. Include the subject, scene, mood, and style cues. For example, you might mention a towering crystal castle at dusk, swirling mist, bioluminescent forests, dramatic lighting, and a sense of wonder. Add descriptors like ultra-detailed, ethereal, or high fantasy to guide the style. If there's anything you don't want, include that too to keep the output clean. If you have a reference image, click Image to Image. Then upload or drag your reference in. This is optional, but it helps the system follow your composition, color palette, or character pose while still transforming it into a fantasy look. Before generating, set the aspect ratio. Choose square for avatars and grids, landscape for wallpapers or sweeping vistas, or portrait for posters and character portraits. Adjust it to fit where you plan to use the image. Next, decide how many images you want to generate. More images give you variety to compare, while fewer will be faster and more focused. When everything looks good, click Create. The AI will get to work. Give it a moment to process, and then your results will appear. Review what you got. Look for strong composition, clear storytelling elements, and consistent style. If one stands out, that's your hero image. If not, refine your prompt with sharper details, switch models, or adjust the aspect ratio and try again for a better match. That's the full flow, from the home page to final results. Follow these steps, refine as you go, and you'll be creating stunning fantasy art in OpenArt with confidence.